Outfit number, I've lost track. Prove me wrong. There's no better combination than that. This isn't my first rodeo. Hello, how are you today? So, I've rearranged my whole room just for this video, so you're welcome. But today I'm going to be showing you some of my current favourite outfits. I haven't done one of these in a long time, and also, I don't think to help, I'm absolutely roasted. It's so hot. So this isn't just like a healthy glow, this is sweat. So, yeah. But without further ado, before I actually pass out, let's just jump into this. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with outfit number one. Oh my god, oops, my thing is all getting tangled. I don't know if you can tell. There'll be a consistent theme throughout this video of blazers. I don't know if you remember my ASOS haul that I done like 3 or 4 months ago. I got this really cool blazer and I'm obsessed with it. I think it's like one of my favourite ones that I got. Outfit number one is this, and then I have this tank top. This green one, it's actually a pajama top, so I mean it works as a top, like you can't tell it's like a pajama top, like it looks like just a cotton tank. So I like this. With this, I just think the colours kind of complement each other very nicely. I just don't know, I'm like in that 80s kind of vibe at the moment. So these and my jeans, and that is literally it. And also my Air Forces. Like to be honest, I kind of go back and forth between the black ones and the red stitching ones. But generally that's it. And then also my Swarovski necklace, because you know I like a bit of sparkle. So that's outfit number one. So let me just 3, 2, 1. Boom. So this is it. This is the outfit. I don't know if you can help, but I'm obsessed, and I'm still so warm. Getting in and out of clothes when it's hot and you're warm, it's just not it. It's not the life for me. But I really like this. I think it's very simple. It's, you know, effective. It's to the point. I mean, I put this outfit up on my Instagram the last day just because I like it that much that I would have put up on my Instagram just a solo shot of it. I do really like it. Although, I mean, I'm not going to lie, I do look pretty like glowy. So maybe this hot weather is not all that bad. These are like the comfiest jeans ever. If you ever want a comfortable pair of jeans, weekday, that's it. I'll say no more. I'll put the link in the description box. But that's like my favorite place to get jeans. I already have my next ones lined up, and I have this beautiful chain on just because I think this outfit needs a bit of a kick, if you know what I mean. Sometimes I layer it with my Summit Cross one, which I think looks nice also. I mean, actually, yeah, sorry. Never mind, this outfit, it's with this as well. I've decided it's with this one as well. I think it looks a bit better. Honestly, it's what I've been recording for 5 minutes. And I'm already exhausted with the heat. But anyway, okay, so next outfit. What a transition, I know. So this is the next outfit. I'm obsessed with this one also. It's just very like, you know, summery and just very relaxed and just very like cool. Oh, well, it's probably not the best idea to go put on right now, but I just really like how this looks. I love that there's like yellow in this and there's yellow on the top. I just really love this combination together. And then with the blue jeans, yeah, see, I'm being smart with my outfit changes and keeping, you know, whatever, making it easier on myself. But I wear this with just my Air Forces as well, like me, because I don't think you can go wrong with jeans and Air Forces. Prove me wrong. There's no better combination than that. And then I just paired this with my Missoma chain. I love this one. I got this for my birthday like 2 years ago from Mum. So thank you, Mum, for the necklace. I really liked it. And just my Swarovski bracelet. This one I got for my birthday as well. I think it's very nice, very simple, you know. And my Honu ring. This one actually, when you buy from Honu, they save turtles, so I saved a turtle with this. But anyway, next outfit. Bam! I love this blazer. I don't know. I just love this blazer. I got this blazer like, was it 2 years ago? And I wore it and I was like, I kind of got out of it then because it was like wasn't big enough. Like it was like it fits like a glove, but it's not like that oversized look that I really got into. So I kind of put it to the back of the closet, but I recently fell in love with it again. And I wore this outfit actually to get my first vaccine, so fully vaccinated. Yes. And I just wear it with this figure top. I don't know, it's like a nice kind of pattern at the back of it. Can't go wrong with just blazer, jeans, and a white t-shirt. I mean, could you get more basic? No. And for jewellery, I just have my same bracelet on that I wear all the time. I have some pearls and my Masoma chain. Now these aren't real pearls, just to clarify that. They're plastic. I got them off ASOS, the marketplace. So they're only like €4, I think. So I mean, and they are starting to kind of fall apart. Like, you know, the paint that's on them is starting to kind of come off. So I mean, I can't really be too mad about it because they're only €4, but I do like them. And I think they kind of add a bit of fun to the outfit. And then also, you know, obviously wear my sunglasses, because when I'm in my sunglasses, I'm always in sunglasses because sunglasses are my life. I love sunglasses. And I just think, you know, it's a very easy outfit, and I love having these, like, you know, go-to outfits, because then if I'm ever like in a rush in the morning, I can't figure out what to wear, I can just, I'm in a new outfit. See it on there? I know. This isn't my first rodeo. So yeah, so this is anyway, back to the plot, James. This is the next outfit. I really like this. I just love a grey moment with a pop of colour. This is another blazer that I own. Yeah, so just again, the yellow tank. We're reusing things and we're working with them again, because it's all about getting value out of the things that you buy. And then just a grey blazer, because I mean, grey and yellow, come on. Everyone knows they go together. Like, it's literally like the most done design thing, I think, in interior design. Grey and yellow, or grey and orange, or grey and blue, like it's like them kind of colour combinations have been done to death, but it's an easy go-to colour combination, so I've put it into an outfit. And there's like 2 tones of grey. Like, I mean, I'm not a person who thinks that you have to match your blazer to your trousers. Like, I mean, no, I mean, they work. They do. I think they work anyway. I'm obsessed with these trousers. I got these like a few months ago, I think it was. They're Ted Baker, and I got them on sale. They were originally $2.40 and I got them $4.90. So I mean, who's winning? Me. Yeah, so this is like my workwear, like my workwear. This isn't like just playing around. This is like serious business outfit. So I don't come to play when I'm wearing this. Anytime I'm in a blazer, don't mess with me, because I'm out for blood. So that's just to be honest, I don't really overdo it with the jewellery. I put a lot of jewellery on when I'm going out, but for the day-to-day, I don't really wear much jewellery, because I just like to keep it simple, you know, just focus on some key pieces and just, you know, very minimal with my accessories. Like, too much jewellery sometimes can look overdone and tacky, but I feel like when you're out, or you're going out like for dinner or drinks or something, you can kind of get away with wearing more jewellery, because it's more like, you know, it's the vibe, you know. I don't think going to work suits like 10 layers of necklaces and 50 rings and whatever. So like for the day-to-day, I like to keep it simple. And you know, some people will be like, I don't agree with that, I think you wear too much, but it's fine. Anyway, where was I? Next outfit. Okay, outfit number, I've lost track. This one I wore to my friend's birthday, and I got so many compliments on it, so I thought, well, you know what, now it's in one of my favourite outfits, because I got so many compliments on it. It's like a going out outfit, like wouldn't be like a casual everyday outfit. I mean, if you put like a t-shirt underneath this, then it would, because like this is the top. Okay, I'll show you. So it's like cropped, so it kind of comes to here, and like I just thought like it was, you know, very fun. You can show a little bit of a Calvin Klein moment. Yeah, so I mean, I'll probably wear this again, but I think to like, I don't know, like an out place, like maybe like a cocktail bar or something like that. Again, James, what is your obsession with this? Because it's not doing it for me right now, because it's too hot. But yeah, I think it's a very like, I don't know, I just really like the vibes this outfit gives me, and the blazer's like a perfect size again. I have such a great luck with blazers. Like every time I order a blazer, it just comes and it fits like a glove. Oh, also, sorry, I changed my trousers again. These are my black Dickies. If you don't own a pair of Dickies, I mean, what are you doing in your life? Get yourself together and go buy a pair because they are the best. They're so good. I love them so much. And then I have like my pearls and the Swarovski one here as well. Because, you know, diamonds and pearls. What a great combination. Even though it's not diamonds or pearls, but you know, they get the vibe, you know, they fit the bill. Yeah, but that's this outfit anyway. Let's go on to the final one. Okay, last outfit, okay, and then I am done because I almost can't even stand anymore. But yes, I like this outfit because it's easy. Literally just have some orange kind of oversized trousers, Air Forces, and just a white t-shirt, and then some jewelry. When I wore this, it was the first day of this heat wave. I wore this outfit because I was like, listen, I'm not wearing a blazer and I'm not wearing jeans. And I was working, so I couldn't wear shorts, so had to compromise in some way. So I just threw this white t-shirt on, these orange trousers, and I was like, hey, good to go. And then, like, you know, your shades, obviously, because they're a necessity. And I'm normally not a person that wears super baggy trousers because I don't know, I just don't think they suit me. But I did find these very comfortable, and I didn't feel self-conscious or awkward in them. I actually felt very, very confident in them. So I mean, it's now one of my favorite outfits currently. I mean, I probably won't wear it again anytime soon, just because. Actually, I might. I don't know where yet, but I might. Thank you so much for watching this. Let me know down below what your favorite outfit was. Also, what are you rocking this summer? My glasses are off. That's how hot it is in here that my glasses are fogging up. I have some very exciting projects coming up. I'm doing 2 fantastic living rooms at the moment that will be up in the next few months. I don't know if I'll get time to release all my projects this year, so they might trickle into next year. But at the moment, after this video, you should be expecting a new one in like a week or 2. Then the next one will be mid-September. The second will be mid-October. The third one will be mid-November. And then I'm gonna give it a break with the projects for the rest of the year. And then you should expect another one in January and then in February. So yeah, so lucky you. And the ones that are coming are very, 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 very exciting because they're like really well done, if that makes sense. Like, they're not done on like a budget, or you know, it's not budget friendly room transformation. So they're gonna be really visually cool, and you know, everything in them is gonna be very nice and custom and perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. And also, you know, maybe go check out my Instagram because I'm posting more consistently on there. I mean, if you want to, you can. If you don't have to. If you don't want to, like, it's fine. I won't be offended. Because I mean, we're still taking baby steps over there. Like, YouTube is fine. YouTube's my baby. YouTube is going to constantly get the content supply. I'm going to constantly give it the time because I enjoy it that much. Instagram's the learning curve. I'm still trying to figure it out and figure out what I want to post, how I want to post it, how I want to present it. Anyway, you don't care about this. Bye.